This kitchen was inspired by modern elegance and timeless charm. Organic modern design is about blending contemporary details with natural modern elements. It involves using clean lines, organic textures, and modern materials. The goal is to create a space that feels both modern and warm. There were a lot of unique details to this kitchen, such as the plaster hood, the lighting details under the shelf, and also our inset cabinetry. The dark cabinetry provides a sophisticated backdrop against the white, bold marble porcelain countertops. This countertop set the tone for this entire design, allowing us to create a kitchen that is both visually appealing and highly functional. We wanted to do the islands in two different sizes. One was just a prep island, and the larger one is the serving island where we have our stools. The Macchia Vecchia porcelain was used as a statement piece on the double island and backsplash, creating a cohesive and visually striking element throughout this kitchen. The veining and the bold pattern of the Macchia Vecchia porcelain added the perfect elegance to the space. We chose Hestan for the texture and design of their products for our cooktop and our ovens. No kitchen is complete without a bar. We chose to do antiqued mirror wallpaper on the back of ours. It's incredibly rewarding to see how a well-designed space can bring joy and functionality to everyday life. I'm thrilled to announce that our kitchen won Best Traditional Transitional Kitchen from Florida Design Magazine. Receiving this award is a huge honor, as this kitchen was judged by top design professionals in our industry. This is a testament to our dedication and creativity of this project. Our kitchen stood out among hundreds of submissions, and I'm thrilled to announce that we won this category. At Jennifer Lynn Interior Design, I oversee all aspects of design from the initial concept to the final touches, ensuring that every project is tailored to our unique clients and lifestyle.